Alright, empanaders, we've wandered into our basement here today to solve a problem that I've had for quite a few years, ever since I bought the house. This unfinished floor here has loose dust and dirt which carry itself upstairs while we walk. So we're going to try to remove that today by using this sweeping compound here. So I looked online to see what the most common reasons for this occurring is, and there's two main reasons. One was the cement in the water was not mixed properly, resulting in loose particles on top. And the other issue was exposure to water after the concrete was poured. So before the upstairs was built, there could have been exposure to rain or moisture, which led to this. So those are the two main reasons. But let's see what this product can do. Every time I've tried to sweep the dust and the dirt away, the dust, unfortunately, whenever you sweep, it rises to the top or goes into the air. So you can't really just sweep without using anything to keep the dust down. And that's what this product will do. As it says right on the bag, it holds the dust down while sweeping. So let's try it out. What I'm going to do is do half of this part of this section of the basement and compare it to the other half and see the results. And the final test will be, of course, when I walk upstairs to see if there's any loose dust that followed me upstairs. So let's get started. So I've laid out some of the product here. Now I'll use this broom here to start sweeping up the dust. I really want to do is try to get into the corners underneath this insulation so I can get as much dust out of here as possible. So what I wanted to show here was the difference of the color of before use and after use. So on the left side here, this reddish color is some of the new product I just took out of the bag. On the right side, this greenish color is after I swept the floor and collected the dirt and dust particles. So you can see there is a clear difference. Something is mixed in there, and it's bound to the powder. So hopefully it is working, and I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing. Alright, so I've finished sweeping up this side. This side is untouched, so I got these black gloves here to see if I notice a difference between the two areas. So, okay, so that's that. Okay, that's that. So, I'll give you a close up here so you can see the difference between the two areas. This is the clean area, and this is the dirty one. So there's definitely a difference. It looks like the product did pick up the dust and whatever dirt was there. When I did use the product, I also noticed that the dust was not flying up in the air when I was sweeping, so it was holding it down as intended. So the next step is I'm going to walk around the clean area a little bit with some clean soles, and then walk upstairs and see if it leaves any marks on the floor. So let's check that out. So I'm walking around this clean part here with these shoes. I wiped them down prior to putting them on. So hopefully as I when I go upstairs there won't be any marks on the floor.